called a concealer. It should be placed underneath the eyes.
Under the.
So it would look...
Under the sea.
Under the sea? Hi everyone, it's me again, Blanche, and welcome to my vlog. Good afternoon, everyone.
We're gonna make a makeup of Tita B and put it in the face.
Oh, really? Yeah. Well, how old are you?
And 3 years old.
Oh, sorry. There you go.
And he's
Primer.
primer.
Yeah, we're good. That's a foundation.
Foundation.
Are you gonna use that? Okay.
Eyebrows?
Eyebrows?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next, let's do. I know.
What? Oh, that's eyeshadows.
Yeah. How about this eyeshadow?
You like that one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll open it for you.
How do we do it?
You can use this one for that.
This is I want sparkly one.
Okay, you can use the sparkly one.
Pressing the mirror.
Alright.
And where do I put it?
I don't know. Where should you put the eyeshadow?
Where?
I don't know.
In the eye.
Oh, yeah, in the eyes. Okay. Should I close my eyes?
Yeah, you do. You do. Open the eyes.
Oh, wow!
Let's do this one.
Which one?
This one.
The brown one?
Yeah.
Should I close my eyes again?
Yeah.
Okay.
You do. Open the eyes.
Oh,
More, because
That's-
and the other side.
on the other side too. All right.
It's so pretty now.
Thank you so
The
much.
blue one and after this doing. How about you first?
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
What color is that? What? It's it's in my nose.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. I don't look like a funny little girl.
You're not funny.
Oh, what happened?
It's okay. I'll wipe it.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, use the green one too.
And look at your eye.
Oh, what happened to my eyes now? Oh, it's so dark. One more? We're not yet done.
Tita B works pretty like this.
Okay. Oh, you're using your right hand and your left hand. Oh, that's a good technique.
Up, close your eyes.
Are we done?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
I think we're done with the eyeshadow.
Okay, next. But first we close this first.
Yeah, you close that first and put it back. Next is...
I know. This one.
What is that?
This is
What you call that? What? Why are you whispering?
lipstick
Yeah, it's a lipstick.
for the lips.
Yeah. Do you want Tita B to help you open it? Okay. What color of lipstick will you use now?
The lipstick is color pink.
Okay. Do you think that color matches my skin?
No,
No?
that's not the same. See? Skin's not pink.
Yeah. It doesn't match my skin. Oh, Tita B. But it looks good on my lips.
Yeah, but you're not correct. You're so really not correct. You're so really not correct.
I'm not
I'm
correct.
correct.
You're correct because I thought my skin matches the color of the lipstick.
But you know, also Poppy.
Puppy?
Yeah, Poppy matches your lipstick.
Yeah, because...
Ah!
Sorry. Because Puppy's skin color is pink.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so smart. Sorry, but will this lipstick make me look pretty?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh,
more.
more. I think we're done. Not yet. Just a little bit more. But hey, look at my lips. You're not looking. While you're applying the lipstick, you have to look at me also.
Look at the lipstick.
Yeah. Are we done?
Wait,
I think it's already finished.
wait.
Look at my face, guys.
Wait.
Look at that makeup.
Wait. I love you.
I love you too. You're the sweetest.
Because I'm really pretty.
You made me pretty.
Yeah.
It's done? Really? Can I look at my face now?
Yeah.
Look at Tia's creation. Look at my eyeshadow, my eyebrows on fleek, my lips. Thank you, Tia Bear, for making me look like this.
I said you're done.
This is Tia's creation. Is that yet done? So I thought we are done. What happened to your face? This little girl here thinks the makeup is not yet done. How about the pretty face? The pretty face. That's just a funny face. You're so funny. So what are we gonna do now?
Let's put this in the cheeks.
It's called a concealer. It should be placed underneath the eyes here.
Under the
So it would look
under the sea.
under the sea? Oh no. I think we're finished. I think it's pretty well done.
Huh?
What is this?
Tita B's makeup.
Thank you for my makeup, Tia Bear Bear.
Yay.
Say bye-bye to the vlog first.
Bye-bye. Please subscribe on the channel.
Please thumbs up. Thumbs up, guys.
Subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Okay, look at my makeup, guys. Look at my face.
Wow. So nice.
So nice.
And so pretty.
Oh, thank you. I look pretty now?
Yeah.
Prettier than before?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for my makeup. Oh, I think you're sleepy. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Please subscribe
Subscribe.
and thumbs up.